What's up, guys? Tina here from Side Hustle Fanatics. Today I've come with a video to show you how you can make thousands of dollars online by just reading books out loud. So if you're interested in it, please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell as well so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. On this channel, we talk about side hustles which can make you earn extra income online. So as I've promised already that I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars online by just reading out loud. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the computer. Let me show you how it is done. So you can do this just like as a side hustle so that at least you can be earning some extra money. There are so many books being published each year, and I'm sure you know that not everyone enjoys reading text. Everybody has their own preference. So it's just like a personal preference. Like myself, I do prefer watching videos or listening to audios instead of reading text. So everybody has, and I'm sure that you also have your own preferred way of how you like reading, whether text, whether audio, whether you just like watching videos. So if we head on to Amazon, it's gonna take me to amazon.co.uk because I'm in the UK, but it might take you to amazon.com or amazon. Whatever. So if you go to Amazon and then just search books, or just go down on here and then press books and then go to bestsellers, you will see that there is so many books on Amazon, thousands of books on Amazon. You can see this book with 108,048 reviews. That means that it's sold so much books because not everybody leaves a review. So they have sold so many books. If you go to this bestseller in books, the #1 best-selling book on amazon.co.uk, you will see that they have like about 4 formats of this book. So there's the Kindle edition, the audio book, the hardcover, and the audio CD. So as you can see nowadays, people have like a way, they have a choice. People have a choice now to choose whichever format of the book they want to buy. So you can buy the Kindle edition, you can buy an audio book, you can buy the hardcover, you can buy the audio CD. So it depends on your preference, how you want to read the book. So that's where the business model of today comes in. So there has been so much books being sold over the past years. According to Statista, the net revenue of the US book publishing industry within the past 10 years, it's almost $25.93 billion. Audio sales revenue at $1.2 billion and ebook sales at $162 million. So there has been so much growth in the books. The audio books as well, the industry has gone so much up that the sales generated over $1 billion in revenue just in 2019. So audio sales in 2019, January, they did generate over $1 billion in revenue, and it's growing each and every year. This is quite an industry that's like booming, you know, it's growing and growing and growing. So everybody wants to get into the industry that's like trending, going up, not the industry that's going down. This is acx.com. If you do not have an account with them, you better just register with them. It's not a process that will take a long time. If you do already have an Amazon account, it will just let you sign in with the Amazon details that you already have. So it won't take you much time just to sign up with them if you already have an Amazon account. So this site is where authors put their books to find some voiceover artists to do an audio version of their books. So this is a big website, as you can see, that their audio books have been sold to big retailers like Audible. Here it says we have 2,554 titles open for auditions and they have like 262,170 producers to choose from. So they've got a lot of books that they require some actors to do the voiceover for those books. So because you are going to be doing the voiceover, what you need to do, you need to press on this actor. Are you an actor or producer? So because you are going to be narrating, you are an actor. So you press on the actor button. When you press there, you can then check here. If you press this button, it will let you find titles which are open for auditions. So you press find a book for your voice. So these are the titles of the books which are accepting auditions. So an audition is just like, you audition the voice. You just record like a short script and then send it to them. And then they have to see if, your voice is like going to be suitable for that particular book. So the titles accepting auditions, like at the moment, is 2,497 titles. So they have a lot of genres that you can choose from if you want. If you want to filter, it depends whichever type of books you like. Because other people, when they are doing this type of job, they do not need to have like, a genre, because it's a book. So what they have to do is just read the book. The contents is the book itself. So they do not need to go out and start researching or doing anything. So due to that reason, people, they will just audition for any book and then they get the jobs. But if you are someone who have got like, a particular genre that you can read the books, then you need to choose the genre that you're interested in. Like now you can just filter by genre, and then you'll find a lot here of genres inside this. For example, let's just press kids and then apply. So there's like 21 titles that match that criteria. All these titles right here, they are accepting auditions. So you can just look around and see whichever it catches your eye, whichever you're interested in reading. If you press on any of these books, like let's say we press on the First Time Parents Essential Guide, you will see that this book is in English and has an estimated length of 3.2 hours. The word count is 30,000, and the budget which they will pay is between $100 to $200 per finished hour. So if you had to be paid, if you had to audition for this book and then get selected to do the audio, you will be paid, if it's on the lower end, you'll be paid like 3.2 multiplied by 100, which is 320. And if it's on the high end, or $200, you will be paid 3.2 by 200, which is about 640. As you can see here, it's quite a lot of money just for 3 hours. An average is gonna be like $480 on this particular project. So imagine you do 2 of these projects a day. So you can earn almost $1,000 a day for just reading out, this book. There are 2 ways to get paid on ACX. The one that we've been talking about here is per finished hour, but there is another way they pay. Let me just check on one of the books and then just show you. If we go back, let's see if we can see any of the books that they are paying by another way. As you can see here, it says royalty share. So that's another way of how they pay. So with royalty share, you will get paid a small amount of money at the beginning, and then you will be earning as the books get sold on Amazon or iTunes. You will get paid. This is so great as it can create a passive income for you, especially if the book is a bestseller, as we saw the one on Amazon before. So some of them, they do have an option, so you can be paid by royalty share or per finished hour. So it's up to you to choose whichever way you are comfortable, to get paid in. So if you're interested in this side hustle, you can just get to acx.com through the link below and then sign up, look for the books that you're interested in, and then you audition. If they choose you to do the voice, then you make your money. So that's all I had for you today. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below if you have not done so already, and hit that notification button so that you get notified of any new uploaded videos that I'm gonna do. Until next time, it's Tina here. Bye bye.